Guys, welcome back. How you guys doing today? So in today's video we'll be talking about eating in the dream, spirit husband and wife, okay, and the powerful solution to end it. Okay, please stay tuned, watch this video to the end so that you understand everything I'm going to explain in this video. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome to the family. My name is Waya Solution, your spiritual counselor. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please, if you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button now, turn on the bell notification for you to be a part of the family, for you to always get notification from YouTube anytime I upload new video like this. Thank you so much. God bless you for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. You guys are the best. So in today's video we'll be talking about spiritual husband and wife, okay, and eating in the dream. Eating in the dream is a very bad thing, okay. These are evil doings, evil projection. If you see yourself eating in the dream, or you know somebody that is eating in the dream, maybe your neighbor or your relative, please tackle this with immediate effect. With this powerful video that I want to share with you guys, this powerful solution, there will be an end to it by the special grace of God, okay. If God open your eyes to see what the enemies are feeding you with in the dream, in the spiritual realm, that delicacy that they are feeding you with, in the spiritual realm, it's representing sickness, okay, because the spiritual controls the physical, okay. That food they are feeding you with every time to time, they are feeding you with sickness, they are feeding you with sorrow, feeding you with barrenness, you understand, feeding you with failed marriage, feeding you with hardship and all that, disappointment, okay. If you see yourself, please tackle it with immediate effect, okay. If God open your eyes, you will see that these things are very bad, okay. So by the special grace of God, this video is going to help you guys. And also, if you're a man out there, you have this spiritual wife, okay. This spiritual wife, spiritual husband, they are very dangerous, and they are also very jealous, okay. If you're having intercourse, maybe you're sleeping, you always see yourself like, if you're a man, you always see this woman always come to you to come and sleep with you in your dream, okay. If God open your eyes to see what they are depositing in your body, okay, these things are bad, because the spiritual controls the physical, okay. As they are this spiritual wife, because they are jealous, anything they projected, they projected in the spiritual realm, it will not manifest in the physical realm, okay. For you to have a successful relationship, a successful marriage will be difficult, because they are jealous. And even if you manage to get married, to bear children will be war. It will become wahala, okay. They are very jealous. If you find yourself having this spirit wife coming to come and make love to you, please tackle this with immediate effect. And by the special grace of God, this video is going to help you and will solve the problem by the special grace of God, okay. So you'll be taking a powerful bath, okay. So the items for you, this powerful solution for you to end this eating in the dream and spirit husband and wife, you will need palm oil, okay. Palm oil, I'll be displaying it right on the screen. Please, you'll be needing original palm oil. So for you to get this original palm oil, I will advise you kindly go to where they produce palm oil, okay. Because if you go and get from the roadside, there's every possibility that they've missed it, okay. Please get original palm oil. Go to where they are producing it and get original palm oil, because here in Nigeria, you know, everything is there's so many mixture and all that, okay. For you to get original stuff is very difficult. So kindly go to where they are producing it and get original palm oil, and get a spiritual salt, okay. Get a spiritual salt. If you're in Nigeria, go to a local market, tell them to give you a spiritual salt, okay. And if you're not in Nigeria, if you can't get the spiritual salt, there's an alternative. You can use your table salt, okay. But please try and get a spiritual salt. Then you get your bitter kola. Get 3 bitter kola, okay. So once you get these 3 items, you're good to go. What you will do, this particular bath, you'll be doing this particular bath in the night, as from 10 p.m. in the night, 10 p.m. upwards, okay. So let's say from 10 p.m., if possible, you can get a new bucket, okay. But if you can't get a new bucket, it's fine. Get a new bucket, fill it with water, okay. Then you bring out your original palm oil. Put 7 drops of original palm oil. I mean 7 drops, like a little drop, 7, okay. Then because in the spiritual realm, 7 stands for perfection. Okay, so you are perfecting that water. Don't pour the water inside so that water won't turn to red oil water. Okay, just a little drop. Then you count it 1, 2, 3 into 7 times. Okay, for perfection. Then you bring out your spiritual salt, okay, or your table salt, anyone you have. Bring out your spiritual salt. Take 1 tablespoon of spiritual salt, then add it in that bucket of water. Then you bring out your bitter kola. Okay, put just 1 bitter kola inside that bucket of water. The salt you are adding, the salt represents purification. Okay, you are purifying that water. Even in the Bible, Elijah requested for salt to purify the water. Okay, so that salt is a purifying agent. You are using it to purify that water. And also bitter kola stands for against negativity. Okay, anything that is negative, any bad vibration. Bitter kola stands for negativity, against negativity. So as you add these 3 items, which is your oil, your salt, and your bitter kola in that bucket of water, now this is what you will do. Bring out your Bible, open to the book of Psalm 24, and read Psalm 24 in that bucket of water. Okay, once you're done reading the Psalm 24, stretch your middle finger. Okay, stretch your middle finger to that bucket of water. Stretch it and pray. There's power in your middle finger. Start to pray. First of all, beg God for forgiveness. Anywhere you've offended God, begging for forgiveness, for Him to forgive you. Okay, then you start praying. Pray with aggression. Okay, pray. Be angry. Tell God, God, right now I decree every spiritual wife, every spiritual husband that is coming to come and make love to me, have intercourse with me in my dream. Right now, I decree, I terminate you away from my life. You know how the thing is doing you. Pray, tell God, okay, and by the special grace of God, God will answer your prayer. Bear God and tell God all your intention. So God, by the special grace of God, God will banish that spiritual husband away from your life. And also that man and woman, or woman that is coming to come and feed you with that food, that is coming to come and project that sickness in your body, to come and feed you with sickness, to come and feed you with barrenness, to come and feed you with hardship. That man or woman, wherever they are, pray and tell God to terminate and destroy them and cast them in the pit of hell. Okay, so once you're done, carry that bucket of water, take it to your bathroom and use it to bathe. Okay, use it to bathe. As you are bathing, also pray all your intention, bear God and pray, and banish, cast away that spiritual husband and wife away from your body. Okay, so if you do this by the special grace of God, you will testify. You're going to do this for 7 perfect days. Like as I said before, 7 stands for perfection in the spiritual realm. You will do it for 7 perfect days. Okay, so after the 7th day, by the special grace of God, you will testify. And also, what you will do before you sleep for that 7 days interval, that 7 days, what you will do before you sleep, you take, I said you get bitter kola. Okay, get bitter kola before you sleep, like let's say an hour before you sleep. Take bitter kola, put it in your mouth. Okay, just chew the bitter kola, put it in your mouth. Then after some time, just chew it and throw it away. Then you can sleep off. Okay, do this for that 7 days. That's 7 perfect days. Okay, so by the special grace of God, you will testify. That spiritual wife, that spiritual husband that is coming to come and disturb you, that man or woman that is coming to come and feed you with that sickness, that's coming to come and feed you with that food of barrenness, food of sorrow, food of bitterness, by the special grace of God, God will banish them away from your life. Okay, and you will testify. This is very, very powerful and potent. Okay, very, very powerful and potent. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new here, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Turn on the bell notification for you to be part of the family, for you to always get notification from YouTube anytime I upload new video. Thank you so much. Please, I want to beg you guys, share this video, like this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, just give me a thumbs up, please, for me to always do more, for me to always share more videos with you guys. Okay, there are thousands of knowledge that I'll be sharing with you guys, and by the grace of God, our problem will be solved by the special grace of God. Thank you so much. Please share with family and friends. Okay, share with your family, share with friends. Recommend people to Waya Solution. There is solutions to every problem. Thank you guys. Stay blessed.